You're 18, you want to make money, but not from flipping burgers or asking your parents for cash. You want real independent income. And guess what? It's possible to earn $1,000 a month online, even if you've never made a dollar before. This is Adulting 101, and today I'm showing you how to realistically make your first $1,000 per month online as a teen. Let's be clear. This isn't about overnight success. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a simple online system that works and grows. And thousands of teens around the world are already doing it. Making TikTok content for small businesses, selling Notion templates, editing YouTube shorts, or even running faceless channels. If you have a phone, Wi-Fi, and time, you're ready. Don't try everything. Pick one of these realistic paths and go all in. 1. Freelancing, like writing, editing, or designing for others. 2. Digital products like templates, planners, or mini ebooks. 3. Content creation like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or blogging. 4. Flipping, reselling like buying cheap and reselling. So stop scrolling, start building. This is your time. Welcome